Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
The silently falling snow was so gorgeous today. No wind, it was coming straight from the sky and accumulating on grassy surfaces and vegetation in a lot of parts of the valley, specifically more toward the lower Treasure Valley. A couple of inches that were reported in Payette and Fruitland. And thank you for all of your pictures you've shared on our Idaho Weather Watchers Facebook page. But Boise, specifically at the airport, we continue to wait for the first measurable snowfall. It was just a trace. That's what the National Weather Service team told me today when I asked. Typically, we would see that around Thanksgiving time, that first measurable snowfall, at least 1/10 of an inch. Last year it happened in the first week of November, but again, we continue to wait for that to happen for the Boise area. But if you're watching in parts of the lower Treasure Valley, you're probably thinking it was measurable here, and again, especially if it was off of the pavement. Already seeing the drying edge of this precipitation working through the lower end of the Treasure Valley, and eventually it will taper off for the Boise area as well through the overnight hours. Our temperatures tonight, overnight, will be marginally close to the freezing mark, so it is still possible that there will be some icy spots or some slick spots, so please keep that in mind for the morning commute. Also, some patchy fog. There is the potential of waking up to that as we head into tomorrow morning as well. Our highs today on the cool side of things, but not too far off from average for this time of year. This is pretty close to where we should be for the middle to the end of December. And our highs tomorrow will be much warmer as we get the sunshine breaking through the cloud cover in the afternoon. So mid to upper 40s for the Treasure Valley. Similar story for the Magic Valley. This is how the timeline shapes out, waking up to the potential for fog, some clouds through the first half of the day, but into the afternoon we get some sunshine, partly cloudy skies, and those highs above average once again. So zooming out, looking at the bigger picture here, this is our weather disturbance for today. It continues to track off to the east. We have a couple of mild days ahead of us, but then this is the cold pool that will be dropping in for us for the end of the week. So Thursday and Friday, our highs for the Treasure Valley will only be in the upper 30s. I'm calling it the coldest spell of the season so far since it lasts for a couple of days, but it will feel even chillier than the numbers that you see here because we do have wind involved in that as well. Then into the weekend, temperatures become mild once again. That's also when we're expecting our next significant system. So timing that out for you. Wednesday, slight chance for rain-snow mix, mainly rain for the valley locations. It's not a lot, maybe a couple more inches for the mountains. We get another round on Friday, but that's very light. Again, Saturday and Sunday is when the next storm system pushes in. It looks to be mild enough for the valley to bring rain, but maybe it could be very significant as far as snow goes for the mountain locations. So here's a look at some of the potential numbers for the weekend. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Again, a lot to see here, a lot going on through the next 7 days. And if you want a closer look, you can always find this at ktvb.com. We'll be right back.